Hello students, welcome to the next module of HTML course, and in this particular module we will be looking at two different types of tags widely used in HTML. The tags that we will be covering in this module is the address tag and the Q tag. As the name suggests, the address tag is used to mark a particular text or show a particular text in your web page as an address. So I'll show you how the difference is clearly shown when you use the address tag. And we will use the Q tag, which stands for quotation tag. So let's look at both of these tags through an example. On this web page on this notepad I've already written the basic HTML structure, and we will start using these two tags. I'm writing down some text. So this is the address that I have written for Mr. John Smith, and if I now save this particular code and run and see the application, you will see that this address is shown as the same as the other text. Let's say you want to show this particular address in a different way or highlighted as an address. There is an inbuilt tag in HTML which is called as address. So from here to here I want to mark this text as an address text, so I am using the tag address. Now if I save this, run my HTML file or the output file, we will see that the text has come the way it comes on the websites. So this is particularly very useful in cases, let's say you are building a website and you want to give your contact address or the address of your company where you have established. This particular tag will be very easily used. The next tag that we will be looking at now is the tag which helps you to highlight or basically add quotations to your text. So let me give you an example for that. Let's say I'm using the text. Okay, and what I want is that this particular text should be marked as a quotation. What I am going to do now, use the Q tag. So remember, there are two tags which come up, Q and quotes. We will be using the Q tag here, and we will also close the Q tag at the end of the word $. We will save our code, and to see the output we will refresh the page here, and you can see that this particular text that we had written $ has come in a highlighted way or in a quoted way. So these are the two tags, address and Q, that we have covered in this module. In the next module we'll cover more tags which are used in HTML. Thank you.